So, C++ programmers, welcome to Java. I'm going to make this as quick as possible. So quick that, yeah, I'm on a different site. This is Ninite. I'm just getting used to this myself, but here's why. Here's all the items that will automatically look for the latest versions of what you need. And, well, frankly, I got to redo another computer shortly. This is going to help me out tremendously. So, under development tools, we actually need two things. Eclipse for our Java stuff, and then the JDK. Now be careful. There's two different ones here. This is probably for 32. This is probably for 64. And then go ahead and get them and download. And they install basically, well, you can see how it's doing here. Go there and then install. So I'm going to go ahead and install this and go from there, and I'll show you the next window after that. So here we are after the install. Let's see if it works out here. Oh boy, yes it did. Nice. So, first of all, you're going to set up a workspace. This is an Eclipse thing. This is not a Java thing. But think of this as the same as Visual Studio. If you ever used that before, they set up a certain project space to drop all of your materials off. I'm going to use this and hit OK. And then what you don't see on the other screen here, because I have a dual screen, is Eclipse Neon. At least this version is, well, kind of thinking things over and going to create a project space for you and bring up the IDE, which is right here. Now again, of course, by the time you look at this, it's going to be different versions, but still, at least it's going to look pretty similar to what we have here. There's a lot of things in here we really don't need. What I'm trying to do is really find the workbench, which always changes every version of where it is. So I'm going to click on that. And there is our overall setup. And that's it for this part of the video, is just getting things set up. Now, I had to admit, I also did this another a little bit harder way, and I kept getting errors and stuff like that, and I was trying to fix it. So use this version. If you did it the hard way and you have some errors, Google them. I wish I had an answer for you, but I was Googling and getting some things done, and then I used this, the Ninite, and well, it worked out pretty well. So we'll move on from there.